Good morning. LDS Prepper asked me to share my favorite hot winter morning drink. I like a cup of hot Pero in the morning with a little bit of coconut oil and some herbs, and that usually tides me over until late morning when I'll either have breakfast or a late breakfast or an early lunch. So I start with a cup of hot water. I add a tablespoon of coconut oil to that. That gives it the holding power to get me through till late morning. I add a couple of heaping teaspoons of Pero and a spoonful of, this is powdered cream. So I get this off of Amazon, and I'll share a link below. I stir the Pero and the cream powder together. I use some stevia drops to sweeten. 15 or 16 drops is enough. I actually like the bitterness of the Pero. And this is a yarrow tincture that I made. That's the herb of choice right now. It's a good astringent herb, and it's a good digestive bitter herb. I stir all that together. Usually have to let it cool a little bit, and then ready to sip. So that is my favorite hot winter morning drink. This is Mrs. LDS Prepper saying, what? Grow your own, make your own.